Well, ang wish ko lang kay President Bongbong Marcos, magpagaling ka kung ano man ho yun. We empathize with you. But I think, Mr. President, this is about time na, crunch time na tutukan ninyo po yung healthcare at alam naman niyo po yung problema. Sana po ma-increase ng sweldo ng mga doctor at nurses at ang other healthcare workers. Sana po yung pera sa PhilHealth ay magamit to para ma-reduce ang out-of-pocket expenses. At sana din po ay yung mga hospital na nakabinbin na hindi nagagawa, ayusin po yun. And sa ating mga leaders, sana ho bumangon na ho tayong lahat. Kailangan na ho natin, after the pandemic, may energy crisis. This is not a time for political bickering. This is a time for teamwork. This is a time for us to unite. At isang tabi muna natin ang ating mga paniniwala. Don't lahat tayo may personal bias and preconceived bias Pero as long as we respect each other, we can continue to work kahit magkakaiba ho o divergent yung ating opinion. So salamat sa pag-imbita nyo, Pam, Marlon, and Elmer.
Maraming
Thank you po, Dr.
salamat.
Maraming salamat po, Doc. Karangalan po namin.